Good morning from the heart of the Adirondacks. As the world awakens, Mirror Lake in Lake Placid offers a spectacle of serene beauty. Watch as the first rays of sunlight kiss the mountaintops, gently dispelling the morning mist. The stillness of the lake perfectly reflects the tranquil sky, creating a canvas of peace. This is more than just a view. It's a moment of calm, a reminder of nature's endless artistry. Join us in experiencing the magic of Mirror Lake, where every sunrise is a masterpiece. If you love this view, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more incredible drone content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out.